to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Kawasaki KZ750. It's in immaculate condition, only 25,000 miles on the clock. Brand new tyres front and rear. Carbs have all been cleaned and has also had a full service. So condition wise, the bike, front tyre as I said is brand new. Onto the front mudguard, some signs of pitting here in the chrome, but very minimal. Front forks are all very nice. Going up into the headlamp then we have some signs of scratches here. But that's about it. Everywhere else are all very nice. This is on to the left hand side of the bike now. Tank is in immaculate condition and no scrapes or dents. Engine is in very nice condition as well. KZ750 badge on the side panel. Some slight scraping here underneath from the seat catching. That was resolved though. We had someone put it on wrong. So rear coupe then, all very nice as well. And same with the rear on the chain and sprocket. It's a brand new seat as well. It had a king and queen seat which was revolting, so we had to replace that with a normal standard dual seat. 1976 bike. Brand new rear tyre. This is on to the right hand side of the bike now. Rear coupe is very nice as well. No scratches. Side panel KZ750, nothing to report on here. We have some minor scrapes on the rear of the exhaust here. Engine area is all very nice as well. And then the engine, or the I should say fuel tank on the right hand side is very nice too. 25,000 miles as I said. And we'll go to start up. So it's full choke. So there we have it. If you're interested in a bike like this, it'll be up for sale on our Facebook page and our Done Deal page at Retro Bikes Dublin.